Stage, and the mic is yours. So please welcome once again, warm round of applause for the Minister.
Well, hello everybody. On behalf of Ministry of Economics, it's a great pleasure to meet you all and warm welcome. From a side of government side, we are always looking forward for new technologies, for digitalization. And we would like to start and give an opportunity to bright ideas to meet investors. In our government, in Cabinet of Ministers, we was representing blockchain technologies, and we would like to show, for example, to create new opportunities even in public sector. So. At the first time, my colleagues was looking with these huge eyes and thinking that this is some kind of a new Bitcoin technologies. But I said, no, this is blockchain. This is something totally different, and we would like to be example in Baltic countries that we can show that we are moving in digitalizations in progress even in public sector. So, of course, we define some priorities. Ministry of Economics always give the priority for an export and innovations as well. So this is our priorities, and if we are thinking about these innovations, startups, there is always a way we can move in high added value companies. So that's why this is very important that this atelier is the place when these bright ideas meet investors and these ideas become commercialized at some point. So yeah, this is when we are looking at our capacity, Ministry of Economics was developing new project with the IT school in cooperation with the Buffalo University to develop and to learn from this experience which is in America and bring it here in Latvia. And if we are looking for example 5-10 years in future, then we would like to create new talents in IT sector. So that's why we will at some point see some possibilities to move forwards in the IT sector as well. So yeah, I would like to thank you all for coming. This is the second time this event is happening here in Latvia, and it's growing. And I suppose next year it will be even bigger and bigger. And we will have to find a bigger place for this event because participators is increasing. So yeah, I hope the time will be fruitful, discussions will be fruitful, and please enjoy. Thanks.
Thank you, Minister.